Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be learning about EJ. And I was told about EJ by a friend. He's called Official Aquiane Reactions. You guys can check out his page. I think he have done one of the reaction to EJ as well. So his link to his reaction will be pinned down in the description. So feel free to check out his reactions. Okay, very great reactor. Okay, my people, so I'll be checking out this song called In Another World. Official music video. It's actually my first time hearing about EJ. Never heard of her, never seen her before. So it's gonna be an educational video for me. Okay, my people. So with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what going on. Guys, I'm just learning about her. I'm just listening to her lyrics, and she's a very great artist. Very great artist. And her voice is very good. Perfection in singing. However, when she talks about space, she's not talking the one between them or the separation, the segregation. She's talking about the outer world, right? Where they both can able to go and travel together when it comes on to the loving, right? Both of them will traverse together to the end of time. That's what she's basically referring about, bro. And to find love today, in this day and age, for people to make such great sacrifice for their love or their marriage or for whatever case they are in now is very good. This song is touching. Beautiful music. And I can really and truly picture what she's making reference about. I can literally see what she's making reference about. You know, trust me, the world is full of love as we speak. And people will like to have their love in some place where there is no sorrow, there is no pain, there is no cheating, nothing like that. It's just pure perfection. Right? Because some people can't even manage what it's called, like, broken heart. A lot of people can't really mend a broken heart. A lot of people go crazy because of broken heart. A lot of people can't manage it because they are feeling depressed. Right? So if a world out there that could really open up to gradually accept others with their flaws and to make it into a perfection, no pain, nothing. It is just pure, free of pain. That would be heaven, bro. That would be heaven. But unfortunately, there is none. Everyone's not perfect. Everyone have flaws. Everyone have disbelief. Everyone have fear. Right? So to do something like that, you have to be very committed. To have the love, trust, honesty is the three main things in a relationship. If those are lacking, then something will be definitely wrong, bro. And I do like in her lyrics. Her lyrics is very perfect. Whoa, that was really impressive. Her voice is really impressive. Her performance was really impressive. And the message that she carries is really impressive. Very good. And people, they need love. Right? They are silent. But the ego for love is very loud. And to see something like this is very much motivating. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you guys made it thus far in my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. And if you guys really and truly enjoy the reaction, a GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. So feel free to donate to the channel. If not, then I appreciate the love as well. So I'll see you guys around. Blessings to you. Mad.